How to make these viral captions in Premiere Pro. Firstly, transcribe the audio. If you don't know how to transcribe, watch this video. Select all of your text on Essential Graphics tab, go to Align and Transform and make them at the middle. You can change the position by just using these values. Change the font to something bold. I'll use Impact for this time. Increase the scale, remove the drop shadow. Go to Graphics and Titles at the top and click on Upgrade Caption to Graphic. Then select one of them and add these effects: drop shadow, color emboss, and 4-color gradient. Go to Effect Controls. For the drop shadow, make the opacity 100%, direction 0, distance 9, softness 45. For color emboss, direction 90 degree, relief 3, contrast 175. For the 4-color gradient, make the pointers like this and change the color 1 to red, color 2 white, color 3 red, color 4 white. Make the blend 225. Make the next clip on the above layer and also the third clip above the second clip. Increase the duration of the first and the second layer like this. Copy the effects on the first clip and paste it to the third clip. Make sure the order is like this. Add drop shadow effects on the second clip and make the opacity 85%, direction 0, softness 45. Again, copy the effect and paste it to the third clip. Right click on it and rename it. Make it below the first drop shadow and change the softness to 75. Now let's see how to animate it. On the first clip, add transform and Gaussian blur effect. Go to the first frame and add keyframe by clicking the stopwatch icon and make the Y position to 1060. Again, add keyframe on the opacity, make it 0. Go 15 frames forward by holding shift and right arrow 3 times and reset the position parameter by just clicking this arrow. Again, from the first frame, go 10 frames forward by holding shift and right arrow 2 times and reset the opacity parameter by just clicking this arrow. Go to Gaussian blur, make the blurriness 35 on the first frame, go 10 frames forward and reset the parameter. Select all of the keyframes, right click on them and make them easy in. Adjust the graph like this. So now copy the transform and Gaussian blur effect and paste them to the other clips. If the animation doesn't look right on the other clips, try to adjust the keyframe positions. You can do the same for the next scene. If you want the preset, you can get it on my Telegram channel. There is a link for the Telegram channel on description. Click it and join our community. If you like what you saw, subscribing is the easiest way to tell me keep making more. Thank you.